Hi everyone, welcome to my new video. In this video, I'll show you my recently created WordPress website, and there you can see this is portfolio or profile website, and there is 4 web pages right here. One is projects, experience, about, contact, and there is my name. If we click on this will move us to our main page. Right here there is my photo, there is main text, and there is 2 buttons. If we click on this will move us to LinkedIn. If we click on this, you can download my CV. Okay, if we move down our website, there you can see my post which I recently created on this website, Git and GitHub, and this is roadmap to become full stack developer, and this is about me. So first we can see the whole website. This is our whole website, basically web page, or you can say landing page. And if I click on this, there you can see my about myself. So this is hosted on localhost. You can see from the URL. Just like that, you can visit every post on this website. This is my second post, and if I go to homepage again, and you can also visit that. Okay, there is my project page. I will show you these 4 pages now. First of all, project page. There is my projects, some of my projects which I created in the past couple of months. There is my experience section or page. In this page, my experience are mentioned. Here is about page of this website, and here are my some of profiles. Here is contact page, and there are also mentioned my profile links and my email. Go to WordPress dashboard. As I mentioned, I created this website full on localhost. 3 of posts are already published on this website. I created categories, 2 programming and 1 about. If I can show you on website, there you can see this is programming, and second one is, first 2 is programming, and this one is about section or category. You can see this. Now I'll show you the pages of this website. So click on all pages. There are 4 pages on this website: projects, experience, about, and contact. So without wasting time, I will show you my theme, which theme I have been used on this website. So this is the theme which I used on this website. This name is Portfolio Dark. So I basically customize it and add my own details on this website. So now look like this. Now the last thing which I'm going to show you is plugins. Now going to plugins, and these are some of plugins which I have installed. So here is comment section. Here is, from here we can visit our website. This is our website. Thanks for watching this video. This is basically an introduction video to my website.